Hello. Mila, what do you have here? Wow, it's your little toy, little kangaroo. Okay, very, very little. Oh, we'll take this little kangaroo on this Kid Connection train. Look. Here, Kids Connection. So, this is an old train, old style. And just throw this. And now look. Wow. Look at this amazing locomotive. Denver, Rio Grande. Look, cars. Cars. Amazing. And this one has coal in it. Look. These are the railway here. And again, one more truck. One more car, sorry. Let's assemble it together and see how it will go. Okay. One more. Okay, now a circular railroad. Okay, Mila, now are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Kangaroo. It's going. Oh, it's gonna go like this. Mila? Oh, so cool. You can have a little crash. Oh no, but still the train is going. Nothing can stop this crazy train except Mila. Yeah, that's fun. Destruction is always fun. It goes again. Mila. Mila, look. It goes. You like this train? It's really good. Oh yeah, yes my dear. Okay, Milочka, look, the train is going. Oh yeah. Okay, let's say bye-bye to everybody. And And again. Let's put it all together. You have to be very careful.